Hi everyone, welcome to this training video. Previously, we discussed one of the project management tools called Trello, which is being used by both executive assistants as well as social media managers. Today, we will be talking about another project management tool called Asana. Our goal is to learn the basics of how to use Asana and to create an organized and collaborative project using this tool. I guess we are all set, so let's do this. Okay, what is Asana? Asana is a web based project management tool that allows teams to track and manage tasks and projects. It offers features for creating tasks, assigning them to team members, setting deadlines, and tracking progress. Asana is a popular tool used by teams to improve communication, stay organized, and streamline workflows. It also integrates with other tools like Google Drive and Slack to enhance productivity. And then our next question is how to access Asana. So from your web browser, go to asana.com and you will be routed to this page. And then our next goal is to create a free Asana account. All right, so from this page, go to Get Started, and you're one click away from less busy work. To sign up, all you have to do is log in your email. So we'll do that and click Sign Up. And then it says we need to verify our email address. So we have to go to our Gmail account because I use Gmail. Let me do that. And here is the sample email that you will receive if you'll be verifying your email address. Just click on Verify Email Address. And next, we need to enter the full name and the password. So let me just put my full name, that is Allison. And let me create a password, one moment. And make sure that when you create a password, it is at least 8 characters. So now that I have my password, we'll click continue. And what is your primary role? So I'm a we are executive assistants. So we'll click freelancer. All right, continue. And you also have the option to skip that part if you don't want to. And what kind of work do you do? So let's say we'll click other on this one for now. Then continue. Okay, so we're being asked, what's your main objective in Asana? Well, it says here the recommended for us is project and process management. So we'll use that. Okay, and then continue. Right, let's set up your first project. So I'd like to name this as move and then continue. Then let's say the task is to create a training video for Asana and then create slide presentation and set up OBS. Let's do that for now and then continue. Remember with Trello, these are the lists that we have. We have to do, doing, and done. So it's almost the same. we'll stick to that, but you can rename it, of course, right? And for now, I'll click continue. Okay. So it says add more details to your project. I want to know the priority, the progress, and I'm clicking on notes as well. It says for now, we can pick up to 3 fields. So we did that, and we can add more or customize them later. Next, what layout works best for this project? You can change this later. The recommended is the list view, but I want to do the board view. So this is how it'll look. Okay, and then we'll click continue. Congratulations! You've created your first project in Asana. So who's working on this project with you? Right now, I'm the only one working. So let me put my email address. .com. Oops. Okay, and then hit continue. Okay. Well, it says get Asana for all your screens because not only that Asana can be accessed via your browser, web browser, you can also download a mobile application that we can discuss later. So I'm gonna skip for now and let me save that. Okay. So even though we sign up for a free account, Asana is giving out a 30-day trial period that will give us access to paid features like timeline, portfolios, and more. And it says here once your trial ends, you can continue with a free basic plan. So let's talk about Asana's pricing and plans. So on this page, we'll see the 3 plans that Asana offers, and we'll see what are the inclusions under the basic and the premium as well as their business plan. So for basic, of course, that's free. We'll get unlimited essentials, 3 project views, that is list, board, and calendar. Then basic workflows, reporting, security, and community support. And then because we are getting a 30-day trial period, we'd have access to their premium account or premium plan, which is at $10.99 per month if billed annually, but it'll be $13.49 if it's billed monthly. And these are the inclusions. Okay. And for their business plan, it's at $24.99 per month if billed annually, but if monthly, it'll be $30.49 per month. And these are the inclusions. In addition to the 3 plans we've discussed, Asana also offers Asana Enterprise for big companies. All you have to do is contact sales for further information. Next, our goal is to navigate the home screen or get familiarized with the buttons and features. So let's click Get Started. And here is Asana's home screen. So we're seeing the board that we created earlier. We name it Move. And these are the information that we entered. And let's go here. We're seeing the logo of Asana. And we have these 3 lines, which is the sidebar. If we click that, it will hide the sidebar. Okay. And then we have create. You can either create a task, a project, message someone, or invite members. And then we have the home screen. It says good morning, and you can find the day and the date. So you can customize it, of course. Right now, we're seeing my tasks, projects, forms, people. And then let's go to my tasks. Okay, so these are the tasks that we entered earlier, like create a slide presentation, create a training video, and we have due today, and there's nothing on that yet. Due next week, due later, and you can add a few more sections. And we're seeing right now the list view. We can click board for the board view, calendar, and we have files if there are any attachments on the project. And then on the list view, you can even add task, or if you click on the drop down, you'll see add section or add milestone. And then here you can do share with your teammates. Then you'll see incomplete task or sort. Then we'll go to our inbox. This is where we'll get the conversation or messages from our workmates. And we have the activity, we have send message here, then we have expand, filter, manage notifications, archive. And here we have the archive tab. And yep, we don't have any archive yet. That's why. Then message I've sent. Okay, let's check on reporting. So that's how it will look. We have portfolios, right? And then goals. You can add a goal here, your own goal on this tab. Okay. And then below that is my workspace. Right now you're seeing AL, that's me. I'm the only one working on this um, project or under this workspace. We can invite people. So let's try, for example, I'm gonna invite a teammate. Let me let me put my other email address here. Invite email, and if you want to add that someone to a specific project, just put it here. Or if you want this person to be added to your workspace, to anything that to any project rather, just remove this so this person will be added to all of your projects or would have access to that. Let's hit send. Okay, and that's my other email. Under that, we'll see move, which is the name of our project. And if I click on that, it will give me this this view. And we have three dots here. It says more actions. If we click, we can set the color and icon, add to favorites, duplicate project, or archive project. And then beside that, you'll see like a padlock because this part con- says that this project is only private to myself. Like, even though there's another person under my team, that person will not see this project unless I change it. I change it to shared with my workspace. Yeah, and it says that my workspace and task collaborators can edit, or you can change it to can comment. It's up to you. And yeah, if we close that, then it should save automatically. Yeah. And then here on our lower left, we have invite teammates and then help and getting started. Now, let's go ahead and discuss our project. So here's the icon. You can click that and change color or icon, and that click set for everyone. And then we have the name of the project, which is move. If we click this drop down, it says project actions. We'll see edit project details, again, set color and icon, the link, layout, duplicate, template, add to portfolio, and so on. You can even delete the project from here. Then beside that is the star. If you want this project to be added to your favorites, so let's click that. You see, there as an additional um, section here that says favorites, right? Now you'll see that project move. And for set status, let's click that. You can do on track, at risk, off track, on hold. Let's say on track. Yep. And it'll route us to another tab or another page. And here you can add more information about what's going on. You can add attachments, dates, and summary, what have been accomplished, what's blocked, next steps, and so on. And then you can add recipients here, set a reminder, and then post it. And so this is what we've posted. If there's anything that we put on the summary, it should show here. Then you can reply to the message and tag someone, follow up, emoji, appreciations. You can even add members here or collaborators. And if you want to stop getting notifications. Up here we have the expand or full screen. You can like or react, can get the link to the status. Then for more actions, we have edit, print, follow up, or delete. For now, we'll close this. And so we are routed to the overview. So we'll see how we'll collaborate, the project roles, right? Well, by the way, you are only seeing myself under this project. If you want another member here, yeah, we can add my other email, for example. Okay, and set it if that person can edit or just comment. I want can edit. And for example, let's tell them that, hi, I would like you to collaborate with me with this project, for example. And notify them when new tasks are added to this project. You can untick that, but well, for me, I'd rather have that ticked so that the other person would be notified on any updates and hit send. Now you can see the other person here, right? Amazing. So let's close that. So here are the team members, then connected goals, key resources, and then milestones. Now let's go to the other view, which is the list view. So this is how it will look. You see on their to-do list, we have 3 tasks, right? We don't have anything yet under doing, done. And then board, These are the columns: to do, doing, and done. And if we scroll to the right, we can see add section. Let's say I want to add for approval. Let's click enter and it's here. But I want it after doing. I want it between doing and done. So just drag and drop, right? So you'll see we have to do, doing, for approval, and done. And let's see, let's check on more actions. Says if you want to add rule, rename the section, add section, right or left, and then delete this section, right? Then let's check on the other tabs here. We have the timeline. Okay, that's the tasks. Then we have the calendar view. See, it has the date, which is today. And then workflow. And then we have dashboard. Right. This is cool. Let's check on more. So we have messages and files. Let's click messages. Yeah, these are the updates and any communication that we have with our teammates. Then files, the attachments on this project. But since we don't have any, we can't see anything as of yet. Let's go back to our board view. So again, here are our columns. We have to do, doing, for approval, and done. If you want to rename the columns, just click on that area. For example, I want it named as to-do list. Yep, and hit enter, and that's it. Now, let's go ahead and add more information on our tasks. Now, we'll click on the three dots, more actions. Let's see, we have edit task name, add cover image. You can either add from your computer, Dropbox, Drive, Box, or OneDrive. We have mark complete, view details, open a new tab, duplicate task, copy task, link, create follow-up task, mark as milestone, mark as approval, or delete task. Now I'd like to open this up. Just click on the task and you'll see this part here and like to expand it. Okay. On our upper right, we have the like button. We have the attachments, the, the link, and then we have more options, right? And then the close or collapse task pane. Again, this is the name of our task. Create a training video for Asana. You can edit it here. And it is assigned to me. I am the owner. And this is the due date, right? And then we have it under the project move under the to-do list. And then the priority, let's say I want it high priority. There you go. Progress, 0 as of now. Notes, we have feedback, and then this description. For the description, let's say create a training video for Asana that talks about the basic things we need to know. For example, okay. And then here we can insert an object, the font, right? The bullets, the link, add a link. You can even record a video emoji or tag someone. And then we can add a subtask. So it needs to have a video intro. Enter. And then I want to insert the slide presentation and video. There you go. So here there are 6 dots. You can drag this and you can actually move the task or the subtask here. Yeah. See, and we have icons here. We have added due date. For example, we need that by Monday, the 24th. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, Monday. And if you want to like tag someone or assign it to a specific person, well, for example, that should be me working on it, right? And under this subtask, you can add another subtask. Let's see. Okay, so here it says video intro, but I'm going to create a subtask under a subtask. Let's see. Use virtual background and record, record using Zoom, for example. And same, you can add a due date, assign it to someone, and here on this part, provide yeah, any notes, comments to related to this subtask. And then again, we have the like button here, attachments, link, and more. For now, I'll close this to get back to this page. And then I want to go back to the subtask, create a training video for Asana. Okay, and I want to add an attachment from my computer. Let me use this. And there you go. See, it appeared here as well. And if you'll notice, so that's the priority, progress is 0 yet, and then yeah, the due date. And this icon here, it tells you that there are subtasks under subtasks. Okay, so let's close that for now. And since I'm already working on it, I want it to be moved under the doing list. So you can just drag and drop, right? There you go. And then, for example, I no longer need to set up OBS. I'll just click on the more actions and then delete task. Then you'll get your notification here that it has been deleted. Let's say that this task is already complete. Just click on that. Make sure that all subtasks and subtasks here are completed and done, right? And if possible, create an update here or message the people to let them know that it's completed. And here it says mark complete. Let's try that. The picture is no longer that sharp as it was earlier. And then let's close this. And For example, because it has been marked completed, let's move it to for approval, right? And here, by the way, beside the share button, we have the customize button. Let's check on that. So we'll see, we can customize the fields. These are the three things we selected earlier: priority, progress, and notes. Then you can add rules. Okay, and then integrate it with other applications. You can add or create a form. And here are some task templates. Okay, here, this is our account. And we can see my workspace, admin console, more. From more, you can create a new workspace, remove me from this workspace. Then you have my profile, my settings, privacy policy, and then logout. My thoughts about Asana is that it offers more features than Trello, even though we are just using a free version. So you should use Asana if you are looking to manage projects for more than two people, especially if you are managing a small team. And you should use Trello if you need a visual project management tool and don't need to divide subtasks out to a team very often. So we mentioned earlier that not only you can access Asana via the web, but also using your phone. You can download the application through the App Store or Google Play. Now that we've learned the basics, we should be able to create an organized and collaborative project using Asana. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.